Good morning, students. This session is for class 8th, unit number first, and lesson number also is first, and lesson name is meaning and nature of health. My dear student, I hope you will be fine and well at your home. And God bless you for everyone, for my child. Today we will read and we will know about the meaning and nature of health. What is health? And what is the meaning and nature of health? Today we will discuss about this topic. And on this lesson, we will know about the different kinds of phases related this chapter. So let's go. First is introduction. Introduction, meaning and nature of health. It is the introduction of meaning and nature of health. So, listen to me carefully. As we know about the health, in introduction, I want to tell you about a short descriptions of health. Few years back, health was considered as the balance, as the absence of disease or free from disease. Before many years ago, mostly people know and scholars also know about the health, and they think also live free from disease is called the health. केवल उनका इतना ही मानना था कि बीमारियों से दूर रहना वास्तव में हेल्थ कहलाता है, हेल्दी कहलाता है, बट दे आर नॉट श्योर, राइट? What such a thinking about health was not correct, because a person free from any diseases, any disease, may not be able to perform certain types of work given to him. अर्थात यदि कोई व्यक्ति स्वस्थ है परंतु उसे कोई कार्य दिया जाता है, अगर वो इस कार्य को ठीक प्रकार से नहीं कर पाता, इट्स मीन्स इट इज नॉट अ हेल्दी पर्सन एंड ही हैज नॉट अ गुड हेल्थ, बट ही इज फ्री फ्रॉम डिजीज. तो व्हाट शुड बी योर आंसर? ही इज हेल्दी पर्सन? नॉट. He is not a healthy person, because the work that is given to him, that was not completed by him. So he is not a healthy person. And moreover, a person may create problems for others due to his health. In some times you can see easily near about of you, what if any person is free from disease, in that condition you can see he can make many problems and he can create many problems. So he is a healthy person? No, he is not healthy person. Health cannot be considered absence of disease only, but it includes सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स। अगर हम कहें कि क्या, कि वास्तव में बीमारियों से दूर रहना हेल्दी है? नहीं, बीमारियों से दूर रहना हेल्दी नहीं कहलाता। अर्थात बीमारियों से दूर रहने के साथ साथ कुछ और भी पॉइंट्स होते हैं, कुछ और भी बिंदु होते हैं, वही व्यक्ति हेल्दी कहलाता है जो कुछ और बिंदु अपने पास रखता है, कुछ और क्वालिटीज अपने पास रखता है। अब ये क्वालिटीज क्या हो सकती हैं? तो देखिए, अ पर्सन हैविंग very good outlook and no disease, what his deed and behavior is not good, we cannot call such a person a healthy person. साथ साथ, if any person is good, his outlook looking is very good and his personality is very good, so you can call him a healthy person? No, he is not healthy person because he has some problems to others, क्योंकि वो कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम दूसरों के लिए क्रिएट करता रहता है। सो व्हाट इज हेल्दी पर्सन या व्हाट इज हेल्थ? नाउ लिसन, इट इज, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली अबाउट इट। अ हेल्दी पर्सन इज ही who is physically, mentally, socially socially, emotionally and spiritually fit. That is called the healthy person. Again, repeat again. A healthy person is that who has physically, mentally, socially, emotionally and spiritually ideas. That is called the healthy person. That is called the health. And there are the so many thoughts of scholars related the health. Suppose that a scholar said, do most and serve best. It is the definition. That qualities of life that enable a person do most and serve best. वास्तव में हेल्थ वही है जो व्यक्ति शारीरिक, मानसिक, जो व्यक्ति किससे शारीरिक, मानसिक, आध्यात्मिक रूप से फिट होता है, मजबूत होता है, वही व्यक्ति हेल्दी कहलाता है और वही उसकी हेल्थ होती है। और दैट क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ दैट इनेबल्स अ पर्सन टू लिव मोस्ट एंड सर्व बेस्ट, जो उसको शिक्षा देती है कि हमें हमें बेस्ट करना चाहिए और सर्व भी बेस्ट होनी चाहिए। एंड health is considered as that conditions, mental and physical, in which individual in functionally well adjusted, right? It is the short brief description of health and meaning and nature of health. It is clear? I think it is clear. So our next topic is related to this chapter. The definitions, meaning and nature of health. Definitions of meaning and nature of health. There are so many definitions. because there are many scholars who has given a different definition and different types of definition related the health and its nature. Okay, my dear, so let's go. Free from disease, it is my first definition. I am going to tell you about it. Free from disease, sound body, sound mind, etc. That condition in which the foundation of body and mind are orderly and discharged. बीमारियों से दूर रहना, व्यक्ति का स्वस्थ शरीर होना, व्यक्ति का माइंड का स्वस्थ होना, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हेल्थ. वास्तव में वही हेल्थ कहलाती है. एंड सेकंड इज अटेंड it. This definition is given by WHO, World Health Organization. Attend of a level of health that will enable every individual to lead a socially and economically productive life. What is? कि वास्तव में हेल्थ वह होती है जो व्यक्ति को एक व्यक्तिगत रूप से, सामाजिक रूप से उसको एक सामाजिक प्राणी बनाती है और साथ साथ उसकी जो आर्थिक स्थिति होती है उसको मजबूत करते हुए उसके जीवन को एक साधारण तरीके से चलाती है. वास्तव में वही हेल्थ होती है. एंड नेक्स्ट इज, दिस डेफिनेशन इज गिवन बाय वेबस्टर. हेल्थ इज अ condition of being in which we have sound in body, in which we are sound in body, mind or spirit, especially freedom from physical or pain. वास्तव में हेल्थ क्या होती है? हेल्थ वह होती है जिसके अंतर्गत हमारी बॉडी स्वस्थ होती है, माइंड शार्प होता है, स्वस्थ होता है, बुरे विचार मन में नहीं आते हैं, मेंटल एबिलिटीज हमारी जो होती है वो बड़ी अच्छी होती है, स्ट्रांग होती है, और स्पिरिट एंड द सोल ऑफ आवर बॉडी इज प्योर. कि हमारी अंतरात्मा जो है वास्तव में शुद्ध है. हम उसका सही रूप से यूज करते हैं, अपनी मस्तिष्क में अच्छे अच्छे विचारों को उत्पन्न करते हैं और बुरे विचारों को दूर भगाते हैं. और हम प्रतिदिन एक्सरसाइज करते हैं जिसके माध्यम से हमारा शरीर भी स्वस्थ रहता है. दीज आर द मेन पॉइंट्स ऑफ हेल्थ, और मे बी गुड हेल्थ एंड फ्रीडम फ्रॉम फिजिकल और पेन एंड लिव फ्री फ्रॉम पेन and many others, our different kinds of problems related the body, related the mind. Okay, my dear, I think it is clear for everyone. Now our next topic is facts of health. Facts means वो कौन कौन से तथ्य हैं स्वास्थ्य के जिनका प्रभाव हमारे जीवन में स्पष्ट रूप से दिखाई पड़ता है. अगर वो फैक्ट्स हमारे जीवन में एक गुड हैबिट्स की तरह हैं तो उनका कोरिलेशन एक दूसरे से किस प्रकार से है, और उनका हमारे जीवन में, हमारे पूरे बॉडी पर, हमारे पूरे समाज पर किस प्रकार से प्रभाव पड़ता है. These are the main facts of health. Number 1, physical health. If you are strong, you are healthy, that is called your physical health. Second is one, mental health. If you are strong of your mind and you think about the good habits, you think about the help to the poor people. It is called your mental health. Emotional health, after seeing and hearing and watching anything, when you listen and you think your soul and those thoughts comes in your mind, those are called your emotional, that is called your emotional health. And last is social health. Social health, living in society and give the importance of society, be helpful towards the society, that is called social health. So my dear students, these are the main facts of health. Now we will read about these facts or factors of health which are very important in our life. Not only me, not only you, but also all people, may be known or unknown. It is must and it is our duty to know about these facts which are very important to us. So, see, fact is first. First fact is physical health. If I ask any question, in that condition you will give different types of answer. Many different will be your answer, because you are wisdom. You think about only man is that who can think before doing any work, any job. So let it come to the main point. Physical health. What is physical health? There are different types of facts of health. हेल्थ के बहुत सारे फैक्ट्स हैं, बहुत विभिन्न प्रकार की हेल्थ होती है. बट फिजिकल एजुकेशन इज द बेस अपॉन विच द पर्सनैलिटी स्टैंड्स. फिजिकल एजुकेशन वास्तव में वो एजुकेशन है जिसके माध्यम से हमारी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलप्ड होती है. हम कहीं पर स्टैंड करते हैं अपनी पर्सनैलिटी के माध्यम से. दिस इज द मीन टू अचीव द सक्सेस इन लाइफ. और जिसके माध्यम से हम क्या करते हैं अपने जीवन में अचीवमेंट्स ही प्राप्त करते रहते हैं. राइट. एंड लुकिंग नाइस, हैविंग स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉडी, गुड पोस्चर, good appearance, graceful, these are the sign of good health or physical health. So my dear, physical health purely refers to the functioning of the body externally or internally. शारीरिक और बाह्य रूप से जो हम कार्य करते हैं वास्तव में वही क्या होती है, वही फिजिकल हेल्थ कहलाती है. हम अपने बॉडी में बहुत सारे पार्ट्स रखते हैं. वी हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पार्ट्स. सम आर इंटरनल एंड सम आर एक्सटर्नल. एंड फंक्शनिंग ऑफ बॉडी इज कॉल्ड द फिजिकल हेल्थ. इट इज क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन? आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर, राइट? Functioning of body internally and externally is called the physical health. Okay, physical health includes good physique, good posture, strong body and strong body limbs, good appearance, graceful and sufficient movement. It is called the good physical health. Having good posture, having good personality, compulsion strong body, good limbs, good appearance, graceful and sufficient movement is called the good physical health, and it is called the good health, you can say. It is clear? And it also includes the various systems of the body. It includes the systems of the body like digestive system, respiratory system, sensory organs and circulatory systems. You can see, and I think you know very well about the systems. There are so many systems in your body. All systems have very important role in our life, because some systems are external and some are internal, but these are mainly internal, and they have very important role in our body and in our life. Without these systems we can't do anything, because these are the pillars, these are the main branch of our body, of our physical health. I think it is clear for everyone. So you have to be careful about your physical health, and you have to know seriously about your physical health. Physical health is very important for everyone. It is clear? Why? If we have good body, it means our internal organs and external organs are working very well. If in that condition, if any condition we have poor functioning, it means our functions are not working well, or proper functioning of the whole body according to the age and sex. What? All functions depends on our age and sex. हमारी एज पर और हमारे लिंग पर हमारी फिजिकल हेल्थ पूरी सर्कुलेट होती रहती है. जैसे जैसे हमारी उम्र इंक्रीज होती रहती है, हमारे सारे फंक्शंस क्या करते हैं, अच्छे तरीके से डेवलप होते रहते हैं, जिससे क्या होता है, हमारी ग्रोथ, हमारी पर्सनैलिटी में इम्प्रूवमेंट होता है. ये सब प्रोग्रेसिव हो जाती है. इट इज क्लियर? एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ of an individual depends upon so many other things, just as biological, environmental conditions. These are main parts of our health on which our health is dependent. ये वो तथ्य हैं, ये वो फेज है हमारे जीवन के, हमारी हेल्थ के, जिनके ऊपर हमारी हेल्थ डिपेंड करती है. If we are living in good environment, pollution free environment, there you can see, you can't measure, your health will be strong, you will be looking smart, you will have good personality, and you will be progressive, and your functions will be work strongly will. Okay my dear. So physically healthy person will not feel fatigue soon when he involves himself in any activity. What? अगर हम शारीरिक रूप से फिजिकल रूप से क्या है, स्ट्रोंग है, मजबूत है। इफ वी आर स्ट्रोंग तो क्या होता है, तो हमें जो डे बाय डे मिलने वाले वर्क होते हैं उनसे क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी बिल्कुल भी फटीग नहीं होती, अर्थात थकान महसूस नहीं करती। और हमारे डेली रूटीन के बाद जो कार्य यदि कोई मिलता भी है तो वह हमारी बॉडी बड़े अच्छे तरीके से इफेक्टिवली ढंग से उसको कंप्लीट करती है। इट्स मीन्स दीज आर द गुड एंड बेस्ट साइन फॉर यू दैट यू आर हेल्दी पर्सन, योर फिजिकल हेल्थ इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। ओके, and physical health depends upon the habits. In starting I have told you about your habits. You should be habitual of good health, of good physical health. You should be habitual. So listen to me again carefully. Physical health or physically healthy person will not feel fatigue soon. जल्दी से उसको थकान होती ही नहीं। And physical health depends on the habits of the individual also. Just as attention towards cleanliness, diet, proper rest, exercise, sleep and sanitation etc. These are main pillars of good physical health. What are the main pillars? Listen again. Cleanliness, diet, proper rest, exercise, sleep and sanitation. These are also good habits we have to follow. We have to follow these habits. So today we should take a oath. What? We will follow the good habits and we will try to keep good physical health with the help of these pillars. First is cleanliness. We will try 100% to make neat and clean our house and that environment where we live. And we will take, second is diet. We should be take balanced diet which has proper elements, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, everything. That is called the balanced diet. Proper rest. We have to take proper rest. मिनिमम 6 आवर, 6 घंटे कम से कम हमें प्रॉपर तरीके से रेस्ट करना चाहिए, सोना चाहिए। एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज एक्सरसाइज. वी शुड बी हैबिचुअल टू वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग एंड वी शुड ट्राई टू टेक गुड एक्सरसाइज. In that condition, if we do exercise, we will be happy and we will be healthy person. Next is sleep. We should be habitual, early to bed, early to rise. हमें जल्दी समय से सोना चाहिए, जल्दी समय से उठना चाहिए. It is a good habit. And last is sanitation. स्वच्छता, साफ सफाई. आपको मैंने पहले बताया है, sanitation is the key to success of a good health. We should be habitual. My dear student, physical health, what is, again I am going to give a short description or short definition of physical health. It is clear? So listen again. Having good body or physical health is that the functions of the body, maybe internally or externally, work in proper condition, and having good posture, good outlooks, personality, limbs free from disease, appearance graceful, and have a lot of or sufficient work, that is called physical health. And the pillars of physical health: proper diet, cleanliness, rest, exercise, sleep, and sanitation. Okay, my dear, I think you listen to me carefully, and you have any question in your mind. In that condition, you can leave a message on your class group, and if you have my contact number, you can consult with me, you can ask me. Okay, now thank you again, and my best wishes for you. Live safe at your home. Thank you very much.